Alright, we're doing things a little bit different today. We're gonna go do some alpine fishing with the Boy Scouts. Put my gaiters on. Alright. Get my hiking sticks. Good. My jacket. We are high in elevation. We're gonna go hiking to Alpine Lakes. One of the Alpine Lakes. Hyas Lake. My bag weighs about 45 pounds right now. It's kind of heavy. Oh my God, it's heavy. All right, I'm almost ready. It's about a 2.5 mile walk, hike. Let's do this. All right. All right, let's get on the trail. All right.
I've never downloaded all my GoPro stuff. I'm just too lazy.
I've been making a ton of videos with our hunting stuff. I'll show you. All right, we're off to Alpine Lake. There's Lake Hyas. We're gonna try to look for a camp spot and then pitch our tents, get settled in, and maybe if we have time we'll fish. If not, we'll do it first thing in the morning. All right, here's the campsite. Big rock. Campfire. The lake is just beyond this shrubbery. All right, now to find a spot and pitch a tent. All right, we're about to go fishing here, rigging up our lines, our fishing pole. There's Ethan right there, getting ready. And the lake is right over there. Those are jigs. You probably want to get some rooster tails, huh?
Oh, yeah.
That's our campsite. There's 1, 2, and 3. That's mine over there. I was trying to show you guys yesterday, but I've been trying out this new pole tent. So I got 2 trekking poles holding up my tent, and the rest of it is tied down by stakes. I like this. It's a 2-man tent. But really, it's really cool one though. All right, let's go fishing. All right, let's go. Gonna go fishing, gonna go fishing. Oh jeez. It's gonna be tricky to get through this with my fishing pole. And there is the lake. Wow. What a beautiful lake. Folks, this lake is called Lake Hyas. Jeez. It's like a mirror. It's so beautiful. Look at the landscape. Alright, my setup today is a rooster tail on the main braided line and then a 4-pound leader. Alright, let's go fishing. Oh my god, I'm already snacked. Boy, it's easy to get snagged here. Look at that, I already lost my lure. My first cast net. Whoa! Ah, it's slippery. You're wet. I lost my line already. Or my lure from getting snagged. I gotta get a new lure. There's people on kayaks now fishing on this lake. No fish yet. I've used a rooster tail, spoon. I gotta take a video of the fish that I caught. Is it right next to you, Alex? What? Where's that fish?
Oh, it's right here.
A brown trout. This is the fish we caught earlier. There we go. Brown trout. Off of Alpine Lakes. It's too bad I couldn't get a video of it.
Oh, I probably should have. I could have.
No worries. It's all good.
We got snagged again.
Alright, see you later, guys. Peace out for me. Alright, we're now leaving Alpine Lake campsite here. We packed up our campsite. Son is getting his pack on. We're about to do a 2.5 mile hike back to the truck. Alright, let's go. Oh yeah, you gotta get your straps on. Make sure it's nice and snug. Alright, let's go.
Okay.
It's gonna keep, that garbage is gonna keep hitting me in the butt, no?
Not hitting my wife.
Goodbye, campsite. Big rock. I'm gonna know that next time I come here. It's a beautiful lake. And by the time we get home, by the time we get to the truck, it should be about 6 o'clock, 5:30, and then it's another 3-hour drive back home. So we should be back home around 8 or 9 o'clock. Anyway, we spent one night here at Alpine Lakes, one of the lakes here, Hyas Lake, and spent all day fishing. Caught one brown trout. It was actually a brown trout, and got with the park ranger, and he gave us some feedback and tips, saying that if you want to catch more trout, you should go to the Peggy Pond, which is a little bit more west of here. He says they stock that fish every year, so maybe next time I come out here with the scouts, we'll go there. All right, in the meantime, I'm gonna hike my way back to the truck. See you guys soon. All right, guys, we are at the back to the parking lot. This is a great hike. It's actually a pretty easy hike. Recommend it for families, kids. I hope that I can come back here again with my son and do more fishing at the different alpine lakes that surround Hyas Lake. There's so many lakes over there. We just only went to one. Anyhow, we're back. We're back at the truck. Yeah, there's a lot of people at this parking lot today. Son, did you have a great time? Yep. All right, till the next adventure. See you guys next time. There is a little bit. The lake itself is not that deep.
Can you walk into it?
Probably pretty far. I can see the bottom right there. Not reeling fast, yes. As you get close to the shore, you have to reel it fast. Otherwise, you'll get caught up on these branches.